Good morning, guys. This is Frosty K415, and I got sights for the 43X. It doesn't have, these are the Tritium handgun sights. This one has just the regular gold post, I guess is what they call them, sights. Let me see if I can get this in my hand here. Gold post sights. God, this son is heavy. To be a little slide, you can see that's how you get it in there. I don't care for that. I don't care for that type of sight. I like the dot sights, 3 dots, line them up. You sight off this one anyway. I'm not going to do an install on this because I've already done one on my other one, but I will do a before and then I'll do an after. And I got these off of Amazon. Again, they're 50 bucks maybe, I think. But these are the Tritium True Glows, and I've had True Glows before. You can see the sight there without the glare on the thing. And they're nice sights. They're metal and better than the plastic ones. The plastic ones I don't have an issue. I've never have had an issue, but I just don't care for them. I don't want to bang one, break it, and have an issue then. So this is the before, and I will be doing an after. Thanks for watching, guys. Frosty out.